Hi guys, welcome to Jazz Journey. My name is Jasmine and today I'm opening my first time this unboxing. This is from FabFitFun. It's my first time opening this subscription box. I've been wanting to subscribe, but I don't know, sometimes I'm like, okay, I look at the spoilers, I just have to, just skip. But I finally did it, and on the best season because I love the fall. So we're going to be opening this together. I'm going to talk to you guys briefly some stuff about FabFitFun. It's a seasonal subscription, so that means that you get it in the different seasons, and they have two different ways for you to subscribe. You could subscribe for that season, and you could subscribe yearly. And for your first time subscribing yearly, they're going to give you I don't know, that we're giving some up to $200 value in gifts. So I'm gonna show you the gifts that I got, that it has nothing to do with the box, but just because I subscribe yearly, I was able to get these things in the box. So my box was big and I am impressed for that. Another thing that I like, which is kind of interesting because I'm not used to that. I've been subscribed to boxycharm for so long, so I wasn't used to this. If you subscribe to the yearly subscription, that means that you get to choose more items a lot earlier. If you just sign up for just one box for just that season, then you get to choose at a later date, and I think you get to choose up to 3 items, something like that. Anything that I have, I'm going to provide in the description below. So let's go ahead and get started with the items that I got free just for signing up. Whatever link I have, I'm going to provide below. So the first item that I got, this is called the Rosy Ring. It's white tea and ginger. This is an oil diffuser, and this is how it looks like, an oil diffuser. And those two ingredients or scent is pretty interesting, so I do hope that it smells pretty good. So that was interesting. I got that free just for subscribing for a year subscription. Then I got this item, which I have received from boxycharm before, but not this scent. This is from Sponge L, and this one is called Sugar Dahlia, and it smells really nice. These I love because they could last for so long, and the scent is they're all pretty good. I think I'm going to do this in my room because I love how this smells. That was free. Another interesting thing that I didn't know I needed, this is called Beach Mist, and this is from the Lifestyle Company, and this is a botanical after sun spray. So this is interesting because you just spray it onto your face, so you could spray it on any desired area of your body. So that's interesting. Let me see how this smells. Whoa, I like the mist. And this came in this box, so cute. And then the other item that I got is Grown Alchemist, and it was interesting when I opened it because I'm like, what this is, I can't tell. And it comes in this packaging like this, so basic, but a lot of times they don't focus so much on the packaging itself, and as long as the ingredients inside are pretty good. And this is a Hydra Repair a Day Cream. Interested to try. I'm gonna read more about it, and I'm gonna see what else I find about this before I try it out. And last, which I am excited that I got this product, is from Murad. It says to treat rapid collagen infusion. Look at this. And I'm loving the applicator there. So I think the reason why I wanted to subscribe more, because I am more into the lifestyle and also skincare and different products for the home, and I feel like this was the perfect time for me to get it. So now let's go ahead inside this huge box. Guys, look at this box. Yes. So inside you get the magazine. Padma, I remember I used to watch that show faithfully. I love that show, The Top Chef. And then inside, I love it because it talks so much about the products itself. And as you know, some of these products I did mention on my website, all of the variations and sneak peeks. So there's many great products that are going to be coming in the box, and I love that there were so many to choose from. And that was the reason why I actually selected this box. So the first thing that I selected was the Mason Tops Mason Jar Hydration Kit. This is a kit I didn't even know it was a kit. It just says hydration. This is pretty big, so let's go ahead and open it. Look how soft. This is really, really soft. And you can just remove the slip and you have, I love that it's glass. It has like the measuring cup there, so that means you're able to measure and know exactly how much you're taking. The cap too, and it comes with something that you could just put it on your keychain if you like. I love to drink iced coffee, and I will not use it just for iced coffee, but I love this and I really like the color, so this was one of my choice items. The next thing that I got, this was going to be a variation, so I didn't know which one's going to be that choice. And this is from the Beauty Crop. This is Glow Milk. This is a Nourish with coconut and argan oil. Look how cute this is. It says it's liquid radiance in a bottle, and then inside has that liquid highlighter. I think this is the only makeup item that I have, so let's just put that there. Ooh, this is really pretty, and it's not oily or heavy. That looks really, really pretty. So that was in the box. Then I got something else that was going to be a variation, and this is the Laundress Crease Release. I wonder if this really works. So it says it's going to remove wrinkles. Yeah, this is a quick fix to easily remove moderate wrinkles from clothing and fabric, keeping your dressing area to look fresh every morning and in your laundry room to aid ironing. Very interesting. I saw this, I was like, you know what, I think I want that because I want to really try that. I think this is something that we do need in the house, and if it works, that's a keeper. This item, I believe this was also a variation. I don't know how you say this. This is Tranquility Sleep Mist. This is something else I did not know I needed, and it's exciting to try it out. It says before you go to bed, before bed, you're gonna mist this around your pillows and sheets to create a calming sleep environment. Hold 8 to 10 minutes away from your face and body to relax and soothe the skin. How perfect is this? This is something that I'm gonna have by my bed, and I think this is something that I'm going to do. Just spray my pillow and my sheets. I love that. So let me see how this smells like. It does smell calming, so that's interesting. Something else I didn't know I needed, but I'm glad I got it. Now let's talk about the choice items. I know for a fact I selected this item. This is an oil. This is a stress reliever. That's what it's called for this oil. This is 100% natural hair oil, and this is great for your hair. So I've been looking for oils to help. It does say that it's going to help moisturize your scalp or your hair, and that's something that I need. And even though I have oily hair, oily scalp, even oily skin, I've noticed that it has been really dry. So once I saw this, I was like, you know what, let me try it out, because I have tried other oils and I don't see like they're working. So once I saw this as a choice, this is something that I selected. So hopefully it does help with my hair. I am not much of a jewelry type of person, but when I saw this, I thought this was really pretty. This is from Jenny Bird. They had an option for the a bracelet, which was really pretty, or this necklace, and this is how it looks like, the packaging, and it does have the name in the bag. And once you open it, this is how it looks like. Look how pretty that is. And the details on that is so pretty. And then the other item that I selected was Dr. Dennis Groth. I tried some of his pads to kind of like, they have AHAs and BHAs, I believe, is to help exfoliate. It's pretty strong. They have different degrees of how strong they are, and it's really good, but it could be very expensive. So once I saw this, I'm like, you know what, I want to try another one of his products, and this one is the Alpha Beta Pore Perfecting and Refining Serum. So it does say if you have any issues with pores, which I do, enlarged and clogged with excessive oil, you want them to look a little smaller. They're not gonna get smaller, but they're not gonna show as much. And a smooth, flawless complexion. That is so me. I really want a smooth, flawless complexion. And I got a lot of lifestyle things I didn't know I needed, and more skincare, which I love. I'm always looking for something to help improve, and I really like this brand, so I was excited to see this in the box. I don't know, have you guys tried this brand? I'm really excited to try this out. And last, I think this is the last item I got in my box. It's funny because there's a thing on the bottom, and they have different bags for you to choose from. They have like a backpack, and they have the tote bag. This is pretty big. This is really big. So this is one that I selected. So guys, this complete my box for the season of the fall. I really love the fall, and I'm happy with my box. I'm happy with the items that I received, and I'm so excited because this is my first one, my first box, and I'm excited also that I got some free items too. So guys, let me know if you're excited about FabFitFun. I'm going to provide all those links that will give you a credit or maybe a free box. You have to pay for the shipping. That's what I read. So if you want to take advantage of that, that's going to be provided below. And let me know if you're waiting for your box, or if you already receive your box, if you're excited too. So thank you guys for watching this video, and until the next video, bye.